To grow into a city, a municipality must prove growth on very many fronts, especially on population, physical infrastructure, and economic resilience. Government through grants has made it possible for Mbarara municipality to grow into a city in the last 5 years, a status which was achieved on 1st July 2020. Mbarara City now is made up of 2 divisions, Mbarara City North and Mbarara City South, which are subdivided into 23 wards, which are also made up of 187 zones. Mbarara is majorly a commercial city whose economy is largely dependent on the private sector. It, however, possesses a huge industrial potential, being the gateway for East and Central African countries like Rwanda, Burundi, and DRC, and owing to the availability of land. Its construction sector is growing at a high rate, and the city administration has focused on physical planning alignment at an early stage. Mbarara is aiming at being an inclusive and self-sustainable city as its vision and through different sectors and departments. It is registering several achievements as well detailed. However, below is a summary of some of the achievements of our city. Under the financial sector, Mbarara has been collecting an average of Ugandan shilling 4,095,989,549 as local revenue, but using an annual average of Ugandan shilling 28,746,778,496 for its activities. This means that an annual average of 24,650,788,947 has been central government grants. Over the 5-year period, Mbarara City has directly utilized Ugandan shillings 172,480,670,974. To facilitate commerce and trade, Mbarara Central Market under the Markets and Agricultural Trade Improvement Project MATIP funding is in its final stages of construction and will cost a sum of Ugandan shilling 21 billion. The market vendors were temporarily relocated to temporary stores at Mbarara Independence Park at a cost of 75 million. The achievements under the health sector are divided into infrastructure-related developments, curative services, and prevention and awareness. Infrastructure developments including a well-equipped theatre at Health Center 4, upgrade of Charabuganda Health Center 2 to Health Center 3 by constructing an outpatient department, maternity ward, laboratory, placenta, lined pit latrines, and incinerator. There is no health center which has faced a shortage of essential medicines. Under the preventive health services, awareness towards a Keep Mbarara City Clean was muted, and this resulted in a mass acceptance of the privatization of garbage collection policy, which has greatly enhanced the cleanliness of the city. The city education sector, whose enrollment stands at 30,000 pupils distributed in a 48-52 ratio of males to females, is manned by 768 teachers who reside in 166 teachers' houses and operate in 431 classrooms, which are equipped with 8,561 desks. Apart from intensified inspection of schools to achieve value for money on all projects, inspection geared towards improvement of academic standards in public schools has been a focus. The above have been achieved through an estimated budget of Ugandan shilling 2,837,634,964. Engineering and Works Department has also done a very great job by constructing standard roads with street lights, bridges, drainage channels, beautification projects with walkways, and so many others. Rehabilitation of Akiki Nyabongo, Maclister, Constantino Robo, and Buremba roads with 3.43 kilometers at a cost of Ugandan shillings 19,766,700,007,362 under USMID project. Construction of Bishop Hills, Buchunku, Mbaguta, Bananuka Drive and Makansing with 2.049 kilometers at a cost of Ugandan shilling 17,383,340,954. Resealing of Rees Lane Phase 2 with 0.5 kilometers at a cost of 333 million, that is under Uganda Road Fund. Resealing of Chitunzi Roads with 0.9 kilometers at a cost of 581,600,000 under Uganda Road Fund. Resealing of Koranolia Road with 0.5 kilometers at a cost of 340,802,000 shillings under Uganda Road Fund. Resealing of Rees Road Phase 3 at a cost of 384,802,000, that is under Uganda Road Fund. Periodic maintenance of Ragaju Chikadde at 4 kilometers with a cost of 151,970,000 Ugandan shilling. Katamba Ragaju Road and its links with 6.5 kilometers at a cost of 207 million. 704 solar street lights have been installed in different areas of Bihari, Koranolia, Masaka Road from Milo 2 to Coca-Cola roundabout, Banyo Road, Katete Trading Center, Kabare Road, Ruti Trading Center and Fort Portal Road at a cost of Ugandan shilling 6,575,851,000. Presidential pledge roads under UNRA with 20.2 kilometers. The following roads are being implemented in this financial year 2019-2020. They include Butajira Road, Rowa Sectoral Road, Kamgungunu Road, Spinkon Road, Mobanjizi Road, Kachika Road, Karama Church Road, Kajogo Andrews Road, Ruharo Cathedral Roads, Desta Bypass Road.